The Kia Carnival is one of the very few minivans still on the market. Today, I'm gonna check out the 26 Kia Carnival EX. So it's gonna have a lot of really cool technology features. I can't wait to show you. Let's take this vehicle on a test drive. If you're interested in the Kia Carnival, come check out our inventory. We're online at smailkia.com. The exterior color is deep chroma blue on this one, and you can see that there was a redesign on this vehicle last year. Kind of gave it more of an SUV style look, but this EX trim level, you have that nice chromatic exterior accents there on the grille, as well as the rest of the vehicle, LED headlights and running lights, which are absolutely beaming here in this overcast day. Coming around the side, this is the EX trim level, so you have an upgraded 19-inch wheel, and you can see that those continue that EV and SUV look in the Kia lineup. To get into the vehicle, I have the key fob in my pocket. I'm just gonna hit this button right here, and that's gonna unlock the doors, but you're also gonna notice that it has a power folding rear view mirror there on the side, and easy as that, I can get into the vehicle. If I just press that button again, that mirror is gonna fold up and the doors are gonna lock. You'll notice more chrome accents along the running rails up top as well as the side. Gives it a really nice dynamic type look there. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and different drive mode selects. It has Kia's outstanding warranty of 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain, a 5-year, 60,000-mile limited basic warranty, and a 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. Coming across the back side of the vehicle, you have the tail lights that really stick out there, the Carnival logo, Kia logo there as well. In order to get into the tailgate, I'm just gonna hit the button in the back. It's a power tailgate that's gonna bring it all the way up. And we have a lot of storage back here with it being a minivan. In order to put down these seats, I'm just gonna pull this and then pull this one, and that's gonna store down into there. And that folds pretty flat there, as you can see. I'll do it with the other side too, just so you can really get a good look at just how flat that goes down. So you have a lot of storage in there, and I actually do have some of the carpeting down in there too, so it probably goes down just a little bit less than that. But you have a lot of storage in there, so that's great. Getting into the back seats, I'm just gonna pull that handle and it's gonna automatically fold back. There's multiple different ways you can open up these seats to get into the back seats though. I'm just gonna hit this one on the side, and it allows me to move the seat forward. And to get back into here, I do have a lot of space back here. Obviously this seat can be moved forward and back, so the space does vary. I have ventilation back here, some lighting options, even some cup holders back here. If you look over on the right side here, you can see there's 2 cup holders on either side, a USB-C fast charging port for both sides. And check this out. How about a nice little shade here in the back and limit that light that's back here so that the people back here can rest? Pretty cool. A lot of space back here in the 3rd row. Let's check out those 2nd row seats. These back seats are really nice. They're a top black, so they're not just an off black interior with that perforated leather here for the back seats. And just getting in here, there's a lot of space back here. I can actually bring this down. So if I want an armrest here, I have a nice little space to put stuff, a couple more cup holders. Even if we look forward here, we have a 12-volt charger here. And you know, you can have an adapter on that if you like. Places to store stuff. 2 cup holders up here. I should go ahead and close this door real quick, just so that you can see what is on this door. We still have some plastic on it. These Kia vehicles come wrapped in plastic, so you definitely are gonna get a nice clean one whenever you buy them new. You have this nice shade that's on here. You can cut back the light. You can put down the windows, obviously, back here. And you have nice ventilation up here. I feel nice and cool now that we're in this 2nd row seat. And we also have some storage on the back of these seats, which is really great. Something else that's sticking out to me, I don't know much about it. We might have to check it out here. I'm just gonna unwrap it here for a second. We actually have a camera in this 2nd row. So maybe that's gonna be something that we see up there, I'm not sure. One key thing is though, now that I'm looking up, you're gonna have to turn around and look the other direction. So check this out. You're gonna have your AC controls on the top passenger side of the vehicle. So a lot of features in the back seat of this minivan. I'm gonna jump up front, take this on a test drive. Click the link right here to see the rest of the video. You're not gonna wanna miss it because there's a lot of stuff up here. So that's what that camera does. Huh. Wow, there's so many buttons. What's that one do? Oh.